slanging the thousands of black died in the hurricane. It's made in America, made in America.
Let's go.
Made in America. Crack babies, black slavery and HIV entered in the late 80s. Made in America, made in
This one right here.
Made in America, made in America.
It's your boy, yo, English. What's going on, everybody? We just having fun today, just cruising. I wanted to take the bike out. It's been raining all week long. It's been raining, and you know, haven't really gotten that chance to get out and ride the bike since I got her on Thursday. So the weather broke for the better today. Sun is out, shining, glistening, and I got my Navi up here because I kind of wanted to just go chill a little bit, but yeah, just wanted to kind of take it out. And it is cold. It's definitely cold. It's colder today, but we got the gloves on, got the jacket on. I wanted to ride the cycle gear today and try to see if they had anything on sale, but I'm not sure if I'm about to be able to make it today. I might. I kind of just wanted to get out on the bike, man, and put some miles on it, get some feels for it, baby. Said it's a beautiful day. Kind of walk you guys through the process, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my first leader bike, man. My first actual real leader bike. You know? The only thing closest that I've ever had closest to this is a ZX9R. I had a 2000, I don't even remember what it was. I think it was a 2003, 2004. They might have been both 2003s. ZX9Rs. The first one I had, I wrecked it. Second one I had, I bought it wrecked. It was wrecked, but it was only cosmetic damage, so the fairings were all jacked up, etc. Fairings were jacked, and I kind of fixed it up. I spray painted that one with spray paint. So, but my very first bike, I went and got my motorcycle license back in 2004. I wanted a bike so bad. I went, and in 2004 I bought a Ninja 250. Bought a brand new 2004 Ninja 250, and I didn't even have my license yet, and I was trying to ride it, and I wrecked it. A lot of fun, but I appreciate it. I had so she likes the bike. We are riding still in C mode on this bad boy. We're in C mode still, and I just want to do that till I get a little more comfortable. Until I get a little more comfortable. being able to ride this thing around, then I'll definitely be moving it up. So probably be moving it to B mode soon. But mainly I just want to get one thing I've noticed though is this bike gets hot very quick. Look at it, it's already at 198. It's fucking cold outside today. It's like shit. It's like 57 degrees outside today, you know? It's so quick, man. It's like it almost needs a quick shifter. Like, it's amazing to me how since, like, I don't know, man, the quick shifter is just crazy to me. I never had anything like it, and it's like whenever you even just think about shifting just by hearing the engine, all you gotta do is just flick your freaking foot up or down to downshift, and it does it. It's so much quicker than you having to think about clutching. And it's like I keep my finger on the clutch to cut the power if I need to. Oh, you stupid son of a bitch. This is fairly comfortable. I don't feel too, it doesn't feel too aggressive. Now I do keep adjusting my jeans when I get up at a light or something, because you do feel yourself inching forward and onto this gas tank, but the gas tank is pretty comfortable. One thing I do notice that I don't like, which is why I said I might need a rear set, or I just might need to ride it a little bit more to get my foot placement down. I feel like my feet slide a lot. Like, if I feel like I don't have my left toe like really kind of rubbing up and touching against the clutch, I mean the shifter, I feel like it slides down. And I don't like that, because I just let my foot go all the way down, it's all the way up to like my ankle, top of my foot. So I don't know if I just need a different type of peg. Maybe I might need to get a different type of peg. This bike though, like, even if it's in C mode, it's in fourth, you just pull the fucking yes, baby. You motherfuckers are probably like, man, he's going so fucking slow. Dude, any gear, it just seems like the power is there. It's just like, that's crazy. Like, I feel like to get any kind of torque when you're on like a 600 or something, you have to like be, you know, you have to be clocked down and at least like second or third gear to really like give it some nasty torque, man. But on this thing, even in fourth, just chilling, it's like you just twist the throttle and it just starts eating. It just eats. It just starts eating. It's in fourth. That's fucking crazy. Still got 2 to go. Like 2 to go. It's just wild, man. But yeah, this is comfortable, man. It's a very comfortable bike. You know, I would have really put more consideration into Yamaha, into an R1, but everything I kept hearing from other experienced riders was that they're just uncomfortable. And unfortunately, there was none here in my area that I could actually go see and sit on. I mean, I couldn't even find a BMW to go do that, and but I already kind of knew that BMW was kind of out of my price range at this point. So the only other thing that I saw was the Honda, the CBR-1000. They had some 600s, the Gixxers, they had some 750s, some 600s. And what else? Kawasaki. They did have a Kawasaki ZX-10. Got set on that, and I like the Kawasaki. Well, I mean, from what I remember sitting on it, it was really, really nice. Yeah, the Kawasaki was nice, but for comfort, I felt like this one was kind of like the most. I feel like this one was kind of the most comfortable. Let's see if traffic will play nice with us today. shocking that I've gotten so many compliments on this thing so far. It's a really nice looking bike, man. I mean, it's a nice looking bike. I wanted the championship white, man, you know, those, but I don't know. I don't really like white on bikes. This is getting a little hard to see here. Watch out for these fucking idiots.
Bruh.
And I guarantee he doesn't hear me. This pipe is so fucking quiet, man. It's so quiet. This motherfucker is gold, baby. I love this thing. It's so clean, it's so clean, it's so clean. I got my flush mount lights for the fronts, my turn signals, they came in. So I think I'm gonna go home, Lord willing, and install those. Look at that downshift. Oh, it sounds so nasty. So much more dangerous. But yeah, man, it's beautiful. This thing is fucking, I love it, dude. Best decision I've made as far as waiting. Best decision, waiting, man. I'm so glad I had the patience, man. I'm telling you, man, it's hard when you have money burning a hole in your pocket and you want something, you know what you want, and it's just fucking hard to get it, man. It's so beautiful. I waited patiently. I was impatiently patient. And then I got 2 offers in one day. 2 offers in one day. Wow. Just I was fucking ecstatic, man. I was ecstatic. 2 offers in one day came up, and I was able to negotiate with both, and then finally pull the trigger. And since I haven't ridden on a sport bike in so long, dude, it's like I have been I kind of consider myself a noob, trying to relearn all over again. Because like I said, when you come from a different style bike riding, it's definitely different. And I'm still getting used to like everything, like just the weight of the bike, your body positioning, your foot position, which is why my feet seem so uncomfortable. It's not the bike, man, it's just me. It's like when you've been riding on something else for a long time, it's just very hard to get used to at first. So my mind is still in cruiser mode. It just eats, baby. It just eats. It just eats. Oh, okay, I need to slow down because this actually is going to like a 1 lane. I'm gonna start going ahead and getting over a little bit. But yeah, man, this is like, guys, look, there's a lot of people that are gonna be fucking hating on this video and hating on me in general because they're like, he's going so slow, da 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 da. Like, dude, let me tell you what, a lot of people that make those fucking comments are fucking dumb people who don't even have a bike. They sit on YouTube. They sit on YouTube all day and they live vicariously through other people's videos, right? They live vicariously through other people's videos. And they get to your video and they're like, Why isn't this guy flying through traffic? Like at 100 miles an hour. Let's get it. Because I don't want to, bitch. I can tell you what, this is in C mode. This motherfucker gets up and moves, bro. I can only imagine how scary this shit is in fucking A mode. There's no fucking way. Yeah, I gotta tame this thing first. I gotta learn it first, man. I gotta be nice to it a little bit, you know, so it can be nice to me. Gotta respect it, man. I watch certain guys' channels, man, and I'm just like, I was watching somebody else's channel, I was just like, dude, I'm surprised your bike is still alive, man. The way you strangle that bitch. It's that bitch like Tina Turner.
Bruh.
It's like, I don't know how your bike is still alive, man. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. But I tell you what, it's very liberating, man. It's fun. It's dangerous. It's all those things wrapped up into one, man. And, you know, honestly, it's just got to be up to you on what's worth it. Like I said, for me, I've got a wife, 3 kids, and I prefer to come back home on my own with all my limbs, with all my teeth, with all my life and breath in my body. So, you know, riding reckless like you're 20 because you have nothing to lose is not my style. They be stupid over here. But man, yeah, tell me what you think, man. Let me know about my shifting. Let me know about things that you may see, because like I said, man, I'm a new rider, man. I consider myself a new rider. I haven't been on a sport bike in years. So I'm open. I'm not gonna act like I am the best, the hottest shit. Obviously I'm not a completely new rider, but I definitely feel like this bike is scary. It's in C mode, so I feel like it's very tame right now. Yeah, baby.